Look what I get to do. We are having a paper pumpkin class here at 1320 Creative in Springdale, Arkansas. This is coming up on Saturday, September 14th, 1 to 4 p.m. here at the store. And I'm going to teach you how to make my paper pumpkins. This is made, like the little inside part, everything is made out of 100% recycled materials. So this is like an eco-friendly fall/Halloween project, right? And okay, I'm going to teach you how to roll perfect paper tubes, and you will be provided with the tool that you'll need for that, which is basically just a skewer or a skinny dowel. And of course I forgot to bring it with me to show you, but you will get that in the class and you'll get to take it home with you, because I like for you to be able to do at home what I show you to do in the class. So I want you to have the tools to take with you. So you'll get that, and I will have all of the magazine pages cut to size already so that you can see what size they start out with, and then I will teach you how to roll beautiful tubes. And there is a little bit of a knack to it as far as the angle and the gluing, and you know, you want them to be nice. They will be nice. Okay, you need a lot of tubes for this, right? Because there's actually 64 tubes in the pumpkin, and then about another 25 for the stem. And it would take us several hours for beginners to sit and roll all of those tubes. And you know, as much fun as that would be for me, it may not be for everyone because hand cramps, right? So I'm going to provide you with some pre-rolled tubes. You're going to roll some yourself, and we're going to use those in your pumpkin, but I'm going to supplement it with pre-rolled tubes. And I have rolled up hundreds of pre-rolled tubes. There's still more. There's like no end to how many tubes I have already rolled up for y'all. So, yeah, part of your supplies, well, actually all of your supplies are going to be provided, but these will be provided so that nobody gets really sick of rolling tubes, yet we can still have enough to use to make your pumpkins. And we're going to paint the pumpkins with spray mist paints, and just how they end up looking kind of depends on how heavy you are with the paint, and I'm going to give you some ideas for that. But that will be provided, and you'll get to take the extra home. What we'll use are a sort of a black color and kind of a cream color. These are chalkboard and baseboard paints from Tattered Angels. And these are not the actual colors, because the actual colors are over there in the warehouse, and it's hot. And I just didn't want to go over there and get them. So I grabbed two similar colors off the shelf here where it's air conditioned. So these are like the stunt double colors. That's funny, I like that. These are the stunt double colors. But the two that you use will be very similar. We'll use these during the class, and whatever's left you can take home with you. But not everybody does a black and off-white Halloween. You know, if you're like purple and orange, or you know, whatever pastels, or make a really cute Halloween, whatever you want. I want you to be able to have the colors to do that at home. So the price of the class also includes your choice of 2 additional Tattered Angels paint colors, and that's any of the formulas, the Glimmer Mist, the chalkboard, the Plain Jane, you know, whatever you want, so that you will get colors that you choose to take home and do this. So you get all of that, and the cost of the class is $45, and that's mostly because of this. This is a lot of prep work that I did to save your hands from cramps. So, you know, you're welcome. Anyway, it'll be a fun class. It's a 3-hour class, and you will get to make your pumpkin start to finish. You will complete it, all supplies provided. There's a few things that you need to bring, like maybe some rubber gloves if you don't want to get your hands all painty, because this is a messy one. And things like that, but there will be a supply list that you can download when you sign up for the class on my website, buyshannongreen.com. Just click up at the top, or if you're on your mobile, click the little 3 lines that pull the menu down and go to classes, and you'll see the recycled paper pumpkin class there. And while you're there, check out the sale on tote bags, because it's only good, it's 30% off, which is, that's a good discount, but it's only good for what's left in stock. So grab them if you want them. Sign up for the class. This would be an excellent class to make a road trip for, because it is something that is good. It's a cute decoration, not just for Halloween, but for the fall season. You can do it in the colors of your choice when you get home, and plus you learn the valuable art of rolling a paper tube, which you can use for all kinds of other different recycled paper crafts. So there you go. If you have any questions, drop me an email, shannon@buyshannongreen.com, and I hope to see you in a couple of weeks at the class here in Springdale, Arkansas. The end.